Hello and welcome to another ADD's Action Figure Obsession video. I believe number 5 in the series. This exciting series of toy and action figure related videos. Not really exciting, but there it is. I have yet to do a legit unboxing in this series, and a friend of mine is thinking about doing an unboxing of her own, and I wanted to beat her to the punch. So there, take that, and here he is. Here's who we're going to unbox today. It is the new Jax the Simpsons series, and this is, I think, their second series of Simpsons figures. It is Krusty the Clown. Now, a little background. I was a fan of Matt Groening's work, the creator of The Simpsons, way before he created The Simpsons, back when he was doing the Life in Hell comic strip in the 80s. Early 80s, I think. It used to appear in the free alternate news weekly Metroland in the Albany, New York area, Life in Hell. And then he went on to create The Simpsons in much the same cartoon art style, with a little, believe it or not, a little less cynicism and despair than was found in the Life in Hell comic strip. But I always loved Groening's art style. I loved his sense of humor. And I really enjoyed the Simpsons for the first, 20 or so years. I look at it now and I don't even recognize what it is anymore. It's very, the style, the editing, the pacing. It's a little weird to me now, but maybe I'm just old and it's still au courant. I don't know. But anyway, so yesterday I went searching for my current action figure hunt obsessions, which are the Marvel Legends Secret Wars Captain America, the DC Multiverse McFarlane Toys Power Girl figure, and what was the other one? Oh, Kane from the retro Spider-Man Marvel Legends series, the one of the other clones of Spider-Man, the lesser-known clone after Ben Reilly. So I haven't found Kane, I haven't found Power Girl, and I have not found the Secret Wars Captain America. Anybody has a line on any of those, let me know. But I did see Krusty the Clown, and I have found so far in the wild, as we say, Bart and Homer. I don't think I've seen Marge or Maggie. I'm assuming there are Marge and Maggie figures out there. And Lisa. I haven't seen any of them. Definitely seen a lot of Barts, a lot of Homers, and a lot of Bartmans. The other figures that I probably would be likely to pick up if I find them in the wild, as we action figure collectors like to say, us fierce brave hunters. I probably would pick up Mo the bartender. I know I actually had, what's his name, the bus driver. Can't even think of his name, but the school bus driver. I had him in my hand one time, and I put it back, and now I kind of wish I'd gotten it. If I'd known I was going to get Krusty the Clown, I probably would have picked up the bus driver. Why can't I remember his name? I swear to you, I watched this show for decades. Well, anyway, so we're going to do our unboxing, and it's kind of a Pyrrhic unboxing because I noticed when I was looking at the figure in the aisle that this little circle of whateverness had already been undone, and I'm really seriously hoping, action figure swapping is a huge problem in the action figure community. So many nerds are up in arms about buying a figure and then opening the box and finding out that there's something else in there, not what they wanted. I've heard bananas, potatoes, and sometimes it's just another figure that sucks more than the one that it says on the box says. So anyway, let's pretend I'm cutting this sliver of tape. It's already been cut with my very expensive X-Acto knife, an essential tool for any action figure collector. That needs to be a video, by the way. All the essential tools of being an action figure collector, like tweezers and little tiny screwdrivers. See, there's a little tiny screwdriver. There's an eyeglass repair kit that has another little tiny screwdriver. What else do we got here? Sticky tack. Got to have some sticky tack if you're going to be an action figure collector. or customizer, kit basher. These are, essential tools. Paint pens in all kinds of different colors. This one is black, in case you couldn't tell. What else? What are their essential? Oh, of course, all of the cutting implements that you need. Here's a pair of scissors. Where's my snippers? These snippers, these are essential, especially if you're a McFarlane Toys or NECA collector, because of all the stupid twist ties and little plastic handcuffs that they put in, and you got to use these to snip the little plastic bits away. Very annoying. Anyway, yeah, I should do a full video about all the tools that you need to be a competent action figure collector slash kit basher slash customizer. One thing, of course, that you can't do without is some super glue. So I got plenty of that around. And one tool that a lot of people don't know about is this wonderful thing. I guess this is the video. I don't know if we're going to get to the unboxing, but this is called Kiki's. I'm going to say loose joint fix. I don't know why. Fix loose joints is just a sentence. It's not a product name, really. But anyway, this is actually floor wax that somebody named Kiki has put into this little tiny bottle. And if you have an action figure with loose joints, let's see if I have one that's a good example. That one's not too loose. Okay, I don't have anybody right here that's loose. But a lot of times you'll buy, especially used action figures can be loose. If you put a drop or two of this Kiki's loose joint fix, or fix loose joints, whatever you want to call it, you put a drop or two of those inside the loose joint, whether it's a hip or a knee or an elbow, or what else? What else could be a loose joint? Anyway, this really does work. You put a drop or two in there and you kind of work it around, and eventually it creates another layer, basically, of plastic or wax or whatever. I don't know, whatever the hell floor wax is made out of. This really is floor wax, but it's for action figure collectors. And it's an essential tool of being a kit basher and a customizer and enjoying your collection to its fullest. Yeah. But you got to have some floor wax for your figures to make sure that they don't get stiff. I thought this guy was loose, and I was gonna use him as an example, but he's not really loose. He's not a very good figure because he's based on the Marvel Legends suited body, that terrible suited body that first was seen with Agent Coulson or the Chameleon, one of those. And I'm kind of working on a kit bash now. This is pretty terrible, but it's also just a way to keep all the parts together until I figure out something better to do with him. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. I think we've oh, look at that. This side is still recalcitrant. So there's that. So now I'm unfolding the box as part of this professional action figure collector unboxing video. So there's Krusty. Well, we should have looked at the package first. That's what they do, right? All right, so here's the package. Take a look at my package, as Anthony's Customs likes to say. So it's an attractive box. It's a little basic. It's a little mid, but, it gets the job done. It tells you it's The Simpsons. There's Homer. There's Bart. Oh, there's Lisa. Never seen a Lisa figure in the wild. There's Homer's ass. No, that's his stomach, but now it's all the same. There's the back of the box where you have Krusty holding his microphone. Oh, it's good to know that comes off of the stand. He seems like he's more posable than he looks in the box. Oh, I hope it comes with this cat, too. Is that itchy or scratchy? It's scratchy, right? I don't know. He probably doesn't come with him because they don't show him coming with him there. So here's the figure with the microphone, which is on the stand in the box, but it's good to see that it's apparently removable. And then this is what we call the cross sell. So what this is saying to you, oh, there's Mo, that hurts. What this is saying to you is don't be a sucker and just buy Krusty the Clown, which, by the way, cost me just about $14, including tax at Target yesterday. But you should also buy Homer and his box of donuts, and Lisa and her saxophone, and Mo and his telephone. And you already have Krusty, but maybe you want another one, so we'll put him in the cross-sell and try to sell you another one. So there he is. Gotta be very careful when I drop the The X-Acto knife, because it is very sharp. All right, so the front. Oh, and there's look at that, Maggie and Marge right there. All right. Hey, are Maggie and Marge both named Margaret? That seems kind of weird and egotistical. Wow, this feels very solid in here. Like it doesn't want to come out. Come on out and play there, Krusty. What's going on? Oh, good Lord. That was not easy. That was not easy at all. How much time have I got left here? Oh, good God, only 2 minutes. All right, so there he is, out of the box. Oh, this is Jesus. I'm racing the clock now. I only got 2 minutes left for the unboxing. Oh, all right, there's that. Let's get the microphone. Come on, time's a-wasting. Oh, no, I broke the microphone. Shit. I don't think I've ever sworn in one of these before. Okay, the microphone goes back in there. All right, there's the microphone. And get rid of all this. Unboxing. It's going into the recycling. There's that stuff there. Only got a minute and a half left here. Holy good. So here is Krusty the Clown. The angriest clown in Springfield, right? And here he is. And he's like, hey, watch my stand-up. I don't have any money. I need some money. Watch me do my thing. And here he is, the microphone, telling a joke. Krusty, tell everybody a joke. How did Helen Keller's parents punish her? They rearranged the furniture. All right. So here he is. He's out of the box. Here's the articulation. His elbows go to like 45 degrees. His head kind of spins around. You ever notice Krusty is just Homer with funny hair and a red nose? Got his big clown shoes, with peg holes, but those you don't really need to put him on a stand. He's not going anywhere. Got a little wiggle room there. He has knees, but I don't know what you would... I feel like I almost broke that just bending the knee, so to speak. A lot of bending the knee going on these days. So there he is. There's Krusty out of the box. There he is with his microphone. And Krusty, wave goodbye to everybody. And that's it, because we are definitely running out of time. So bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing here on ADD's Action Figure Obsession. Powered, by the way, by 90 grams of caffeine from a Diet Mountain Dew, or Mountain Dew Zero that I slammed just before I started the video. And that's it. Join us again next time, and thanks for watching.